Today we're making Shirazi salad, a beloved and refreshing Persian dish. This salad is all about fresh, simple ingredients which include cucumbers, tomatoes, red onion, and fresh herbs such as mint. I'm using 2 English cucumbers here. Persian cucumbers are smaller, have thinner skin, and are less watery than English cucumbers, but these work well. They actually have a similar crisp texture and mild flavor, so don't worry if you can't find the Persian variety. Shirazi salad is known for its incredibly fine, uniform dice. Everything should be about the same small size so you get a perfect bite every time with all the flavors balanced. Cucumbers are about 95% water and packed with vitamin K, which is brilliant for bone health. They also contain antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties. Plus, they're naturally cooling, which is why this salad is so popular in hot climates. Next up, tomatoes. I'm using 3 large vine tomatoes today. For the best flavor, try to use tomatoes that are ripe but still firm. You want them to hold their shape when diced. For a crisper salad, you can choose to remove the seeds if your tomatoes are particularly watery. Tomatoes are also loaded with powerful antioxidants, are high in vitamin C and folate. Now for the red onion. Go ahead and finely chop that. Raw onion can be pretty harsh and overpowering, especially in a fresh salad like this. So what I like to do is to soak it in hot water for about 10 minutes. This technique removes a lot of the sharp bite whilst keeping that lovely onion flavor and crunch. It's a restaurant trick that works for any raw onion dish. Just drain the onion well after soaking and pat it dry. Red onions are known to have anti-inflammatory effects. They're also a good source of vitamin C and can help support heart health. Fresh mint gives a lot of brightness and a wonderful aroma. It naturally aids digestion and has a cooling effect. Traditionally, sour grape juice is used in the dressing, but I have seen variations with either lemon or lime juice. What we really want is a tart, acidic, slightly floral flavor, and I think lime juice works well here. Sour grape juice can be tricky to find in regular supermarkets, but if you're able to get hold of it, you can use it instead of lime juice. Add in a couple tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of pink salt to taste, and it's really as simple as that. With everything in a bowl, you can go ahead and stir in the dressing. This salad is best served straight away or within a couple of hours. The salt in the dressing will start pulling moisture from the vegetables over time, and you will lose that perfect crisp texture if you add the dressing too far ahead of serving. The combination of textures is what makes this salad special. You get the crunch of the cucumbers, the juiciness of the tomatoes, the bite of the onion that's been mellowed by our soaking trick, and those bursts of fresh mint throughout. It can be served alongside a wide range of main dishes, but is also substantial enough to enjoy on its own. If you do manage to find Persian cucumbers and sour grape juice, definitely make the traditional version, but if not, don't let that stop you from giving this version a go. This salad is healthy, refreshing, and incredibly satisfying. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe because I post a new video every week, and I will catch you next time. Bye!